In this video, I will show you how to download apps in laptop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So on your laptop, there are a number of different apps you can download. There's going to be apps for things like productivity, and there's also going to be different apps which are like gaming apps. And there's a couple of different ways to download apps depending on what kind of app you want to download. Now the first way to do this is if you actually open up a internet browser, whether that's Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or whatever browser you want to use, what you want to do is come across to google.com and just Google search for the app that you want to download. For example, if I wanted to download Discord, what I would do is type Discord into here, go to the official website, which is discord.com, and generally on the manufacturer's website, you're going to find a options download. In this example, you can see we have a download button at the top. Give that a click, that's going to take you to the download page. Because we're on Windows, I'm going to click download for Windows, but you might also find other versions. For example, if you're using like Mac OS or Linux, you just need to scroll down and find the version you need to download from the download page. So what I'm going to do is click the download for Windows button. As you can see, that's going to go ahead and start downloading this onto my laptop. So it just takes a minute or two to go through. And once that's downloaded, what you can do is find this in your file explorer. So if you actually come back to your desktop, and from your desktop, come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type File Explorer, and then open up File Explorer underneath Best Match. Now, once you have this opened, if you come over to the menu on the left-hand side, you should see a Downloads icon here. Give that a click, and in here, you're going to find the setup program for your downloaded app. Double click, and that's going to run through the installation process, which in this case is Discord. So what I'm going to do, I've already got this installed, but basically it's going to take you through the steps. So you just want to go through, follow the steps and install that chosen app onto your laptop. So that's one way to get apps. Now the second way to get apps, if you just want to see what kind of apps are out there, then there is actually a built-in store on your laptop. What you can do is come down from your desktop to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, if you type store, you should see the Microsoft Store come up underneath Best Match. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open up the Microsoft Store. And from here, what you can do is, for example, come over to the left-hand side. You can see we've got apps. So if we give that a click, it's going to take us to the app section of the Microsoft Store. And from here, you're going to see some subcategories. So you can see we've got apps for photo and video, productivity, utilities, entertainment. You've also got the gaming section. So again, on the menu on the left-hand side, if you click onto gaming, you're going to find different apps and games you can download onto your laptop as well. Now to actually install any of these, let's go back onto apps, and what I'm going to do is just select this brightness control app over here. All you need to do is click to be taken to the app page itself, and then what you can do is you're going to see a blue button which is going to say get or download. Give that a click, and what it's going to do is download this onto your PC. Now because it's done through the Microsoft Store, it's going to automatically install the app as well, so there's no setup to run through. And once it's installed, as you can see in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see a confirmation when it's been installed. So what you can then do is open it directly from the App Store, or alternatively, you can use your search box again, type the name of the app into here, and you should see the app come up. So ours was the brightness control, so we can click there. This is an app that runs in the background, and of course we can start using the app that way. That's how to download apps on your laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.